Ever got forced to restart your PC right in the middle of work? Well, that nightmare might finally be over. Microsoft has just rolled out a major update for Windows 11 that gives you full control over updates, something users have been asking for years. And honestly, this might be one of the biggest improvements ever. Based on thousands of user feedback reports, Microsoft has introduced 4 powerful changes: a new Update Later button during setup, ability to pause updates indefinitely, option to restart or shut down without updating, and a brand new Available Updates section. But that's not even the best part. Microsoft is now focusing on fewer interruptions, meaning fewer annoying restarts every month. Previously, Windows updates felt forced. Random restarts, constant notifications, and zero flexibility. Now, you are completely in control. Microsoft is working toward a system where all updates are combined into a single monthly restart. Yes, just one restart per month. That includes security updates, driver updates, .NET updates, firmware updates. Everything, simplified. There's also a new Available Updates section inside Settings. Here's how it works. Updates will now download silently in the background. Wait for your approval. Install only when you decide. Or you can install them manually anytime. Setting up a new PC used to take forever because of forced updates. Now, you'll see an Update Later button during setup. Click it, and continue instantly. Yes, you'll miss the latest updates temporarily, but the key thing is, you now have the choice. This is huge. Windows now lets you pause updates using a calendar system. By default, up to 35 days. But here's the twist. You can keep extending it again and again, which means you can technically pause updates forever. Not recommended for security, but still, powerful control. One of the most annoying things. Update and restart. Update and shut down. Now, Microsoft has fixed this. You'll see 4 options: update and shut down, shut down, update and restart, restart. So if you just want to turn off your PC, you can finally do it without waiting. Driver updates were always confusing. Now, Windows will clearly show what's being updated: display, audio, battery, and more. So you know exactly what's changing before installing. Microsoft is finally listening to users. And fixing one of the most frustrating parts of Windows. These features are currently rolling out to insider builds, and will reach all users very soon. So what do you think? Would you install updates regularly, or pause them forever? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech updates.